Let's step into the 2011 Ford Taurus SHO. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: anti-theft, AC, cruise, power locks, power windows, power driver seat, dual power seats, climate control, dual climate control and tilt. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.